Hi everyone, I'm Madhu. So friends, this is question number 3 from exercise 7.1 of chapter number 7, triangles. So the question is, AD and BC are equal perpendiculars to a line segment AB. So as you can see in the figure that there is a line segment AB and AB and AD and BC, this AD and this BC are equal perpendiculars. Means this line segment AB and the line segment BC and AD, they are forming 90-degree angles. You can see that this here it is a 90-degree angle and here also it is a 90-degree angle. They are equal perpendiculars. Means AD is equal to BC. They are equal. Then show that CD bisects AB. So we have to show that this line segment CD, it is bisecting the line segment AB. Bisecting means dividing that line into two equal parts. So we have to show that CD is bisecting the line segment AB, means it is dividing it into two equal parts. So what we have to show actually is OB is equal to OA, because if they will be divided into two equal parts, it means that OB and OA will be equal. So we have to prove that OB is equal to OA. So actually we have to prove this. For proving this, first of all we need to make two triangles congruent. We have to prove first of all triangle OBC and triangle OAD. First of all we have to prove these both triangles congruent. Then automatically OB will be equal to OA by CPCT, because they are the parts of these both triangles. So first we will prove them congruent and then automatically they will be equal by CPCT. So we will write from solution from start from here. We'll start from here. In triangle OBC and triangle OAD. So in both the triangle, what equal is given to us? We need three conditions for proving them congruent. So it is given to us that the equal perpendiculars, the line segment AD and BC are equal perpendiculars. Means this line segment AD and this line segment BC are equal. So hence we can write AD is equal to BC, and the reason will be it is given to us. It is given to us. So one condition we have got, we need two more. So as you can see here that here it is written that they are equal perpendiculars, and perpendiculars always form a 90-degree angle. So both these line segments AD and BC, they are perpendiculars, means they will form 90-degree angle, and both triangles are having 90-degree angle. So hence we can write angle OBC is equal to angle OAD, and in the bracket we can write each 90-degree, because they are 90-degree angle. Each 90-degree. So we have got two conditions. Now we need one more condition for proving them congruent. So as you can see that this angle BOC and angle AOD, they are vertically opposite angle. You can observe from here that this angle and this angle are vertically opposite angle, because line segment CD is intersecting the line segment AB. So these both are vertically opposite angles, and vertically opposite angles are always equal. So hence we can write angle BOC. Angle BOC is equal to angle AOD, and the reason will be vertically opposite angles. Vertically, here you will write the reason, vertically opposite angles. So we have got three conditions, one side and two angles. So hence we can write that both the triangles are congruent. And by which congruence rule? So we will write, therefore triangle OBC is congruent to the triangle OAD, and by which congruence rule they are equal? We have got one side and two angles, so it will be angle side. So we will write they are congruent by angle side, AAS, congruence rule. Congruence rule. So we have proved that these both triangles are congruent, triangle OBC and triangle OAD. So now what we need to actually prove is that CD bisects AB, means we have to show that OB is equal to OA. So you can see that OB and OA are the parts of the two triangles we have proved congruent. So hence we can write that OB is equal to OA and the reason will be by CPCT. So I am writing it here, OB is equal to OA and the reason will be by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So this was all about the question number 3. Now let's move on towards our next question.